So we are solving word problem based on linear equation. Okay. So more problems. First question is, ratio of boys and girls in a class are 9:5. Girls are 12 less than boys. Find strength of class. Okay. So solution is, let number be x. So ratio of girls is to boys will be 9x is to 5x. Okay. Now, girls are 12 less than boys. So, how we will make its linear equation? 9x minus 12 equals to 5x. Okay. If 9x is subtracted from, if 12 is subtracted from 9x, they will be equal to girls. Okay. So, 9x minus 5x equals to 12. So 4x equals to 12. So value of x will be 3. So boys 9x, 9 into 3, 9 3s are 27, and girls 4x, it is 5x. So 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15. Okay. See, 27 minus 15, 12. So it's our answer. Now next question is, width of rectangle is 3/4 of its length. It's rectangle. Is 3/4 of its length. If perimeter is 210, find sides. So let length be x and width. So width will be 3x upon 4. Now perimeter is given 210. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. So perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 into length plus breadth, and it is given 210. Okay. So 2 into x plus 3x upon 4 equals to 210. So 2 into 4x plus 3x equals to 210. So 2 into 7x upon 4 equals to 210. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So x equals to 210 upon 7 into 2. Here it is 7 upon 2. And when it will change its side, it will become, it's a reciprocal. I am transposing it. So x equals to 7 1s are 7 3s are 21. Okay. So x equals to 60. So length is 60. Its length. So breadth will be 3x upon 4 means 3 into 60 upon 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 15 3s are 45 centimeter. Okay. So these two are our answer. So next example is a piggy bank has rupees 1 and 50 paisa coins. 50 paisa coins are 3 times as many as rupee 1 coins and total money in piggy bank is rupees 35. How many coins of each kind? Okay. So as you know, rupee 1 equals to 100 paisa. Okay. So let rupee 1 means 100 paisa be x. So 50 paisa will be 3x. Okay? It is given. Value of 100 paisa coins. 100 into x means 100x. Value of 50 paisa coins. 50 paisa coins, 50 into 3x. So 150x. Total amount in piggy bank is rupees 35, and since I am taking all the denominations in paisa, so I will convert it into paisa also. Okay. So total money 3500 paise. Now make linear equation. 100x plus 150x equals to 3500. 250x equals to 3500. X equals to 3500, 3500 divided by 250. 0, 0, 25 ones are 25 ones are 25 fours are. Okay. So x means rupee 1 coin will be 14. Okay. So rupee 1 14 is our answer, and 50 paisa. 50 paisa 3x. So 14 into 3. 42. तो नंबर रुपीज 1 के कॉइन उसके पास में 14 है और 50 पैसा कॉइन्स 42 है पिगी बैंक में. ओके, सो इट्स आवर आंसर. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 3 consecutive natural numbers are in such that when they are taken in decreasing order and multiplied by 3, 4, 5 respectively, they add up to 226. Find numbers. Okay, so solution, let one number be x and 3 consecutive numbers. So others number will be x plus 1, x plus 2 when they are taken in decreasing order. See, it is x plus 1, x plus 2. It means this is greater number than these two, and I have to take these numbers in decreasing order. So first we will take x plus 2, x plus 1 and then x. Okay, and multiplied by 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, they add up to 226. Okay, whatever is given in question, we have to solve according that, step by step. Numbers are taken in decreasing order. Then each number, first number is multiplied by 3, second is 4 and then last number is, smallest number is multiplied by 5 and their add become 226. So 3x plus 3 2s are 6, 4x plus 4 1s are 4 plus 5x equals to 226. Okay. So 5, 9, 12x plus 10 equals to 226. So 12x equals to 226 minus 10. So x equals to, it will become 216 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 eights are 96. Okay. So x equals to 80. Okay. So its value of x means our one number is x. So answer will be 18, 19 and 20. 18 plus 1, 18 plus 2. Okay. It's our answer.